Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Krishna and today I am going to share with all of you very important thing, very precious thing for learning any language. It is not only for English, it is not for any native language. If you follow this thing in any language, it will help you and nobody can make you stop to learning any language. So what is this? So without any delay, let's get start video. So that is our LSRW. What is LSRW? LSRW, that's mean listening, speaking, reading and writing. Let's discuss more about this. So what is this? First is listening. That's mean if we want to learn any language, so try to listen any content in this language what we want to learn. Try, it could be any drama, it could be any cartoon, it could be anything, means whatever we have interest. But thing is this, that we have to listen in our language, means what we want to learn. Understand? So listening content, listening any language, it's too important. You can relate this thing when we were a kid. So now that time we don't know any language, that time we don't have any single thing about to any language, but now we are able to speak our native language. How? While listening. So you can relate this thing, you can think that how listening is important to learning any language. And second is speaking. That's mean you have to try anything, you have to speak anything in language, in English language. And now you will think that we don't know anything, and you are suggesting to us, you are saying to me us that speak. How can we speak? So how we have to speak? Suppose that we come to know any sentence, we come to know any new word, so try to speak these sentences, this word, because when we use this word, when we use these sentences, so it will help us, because when we speak, so we feel confidence also, and our mind come to know that now we are habitual. This thing means we have to take a habit, we try to make habit, because when we speak, so our heart, our soul, our mind will say to us that you can do it. That is why you have to speak. Now you will think that what we will speak, so you can speak your introduction, you can speak your daily routine, you can take any topic and try to speak in this in this topic whatever you selected. So in this step you can practice, you can speak another person daily routine. So in this type you can do practice. And third is reading. That's mean you have to read 1 and 2 pages in a day. And when you, it's too helpful, because when you read anything, and while reading, why actually goat is going on. So when you read anything, so while reading you come to know many of new words, many of new sentences. And thing is this, that while reading you just have to highlight those sentences, those words which you don't know, which you come to know first time. And what happened if you highlight that word? So when you come to know any new thing, new word, so go to Google and search this, that what is the means of this. So you come to know any new thing and try to speak also this thing what you come to know. So while reading you come to know any new words, you come to know new things, and it will help you. It enhance to your vocabulary, it enhance to your spoken also. So in this type, in this type reading will also help you. And last one is writing. That's mean you done listening, speaking and also reading. So now your mind, now you are able to, I'm not saying to you that you now you are much talented, much understanding person, but at least at least 1% you are able to understand little bit. So whatever you understand while reading, while listening, while speaking, so try to write this thing. try whatever you know. Don't think that it is I'm doing any mistake or not, I'm correct or incorrect. Don't think about this, but you just have to writing whatever you know. And last thing, very too much important, that don't escape anything. If you do this thing daily, so you just have to do only 45 days. After 45 days you must be feel, don't need to ask to anyone, you feel to yourself that yes, now I am good, better than, now I am better than earlier time. So this is my suggestion, so this is my suggestion to you, because I'm also doing this. That is why I'm saying to you that we are a learner, I'm also and you are also a learner. So as I said to you in my first video, that whatever I come to know, whatever I come to know any new things, I will share to you. It will also help me and also help to you. So but thing is that you don't have to procrastination, that try to continue and don't escape anything. I hope you understand. So do LSRW. So I hope it is enough for this video. We will meet in next video. Till then, do practice. Jai Siya Ram.